Finance English, fixed tense in backtest versus live writing. Welcome. In finance writing, tense signals time, and time signals credibility. If you mix up past and present, readers may think a historical result is happening now, or that a current process is only simulated. Remember, backtest refers to performance on past data, while live describes what is running today or planned next. The wrong tense can inflate perceived performance, confuse risk, and undermine trust. In this lesson, you'll learn exactly which tenses to use, how to phrase results responsibly, and how to keep backtests and live operations clearly separated. For backtests, use past simple to describe what happened. The strategy returned 10% in 2020. Use past perfect when sequencing earlier events. By 2019, the model had incorporated volatility filters. This clarifies the order of past steps. Add the conditional to avoid overclaiming. It would have outperformed after costs, or results would have varied with liquidity constraints. These forms signal that the performance was historical and hypothetical, not guaranteed. Together, they protect you from implying certainty about the future based on past simulations. The strategy returned 12% in 2019 to 2021. Clear past window, no promise implied. It would have outperformed the benchmark. The conditional marks a hypothetical comparison, often pre-costs or subject to assumptions. Signals were generated from historical prices. Passive past simple emphasizes data origin and avoids implying live execution. You can extend responsibly. Trades would have been executed at end-of-day prices, assuming average liquidity. These formulations keep performance in the past, highlight assumptions, and prevent readers from thinking the results occurred in live markets. For live systems, use present simple to state current capabilities. The model trades large-cap ETFs. Use present continuous for ongoing processes. We are monitoring drawdown and slippage. For plans, use future forms. We will rebalance weekly, or we plan to expand coverage next quarter. These tenses communicate that actions are operational now or scheduled, not hypothetical. Combine with constraints for clarity. Orders are routed through a single broker. Risk limits are enforced intraday. Alerts will trigger at specified thresholds. The model currently trades large-cap ETFs. Present simple confirms an active, ongoing capability. We are monitoring drawdown daily. Present continuous shows a live, continuous process with clear frequency. We will rebalance on Fridays at the close. Future plan with a precise schedule. Strengthen precision by adding scope and controls. Orders are capped at 5% of average daily volume. We report fills by 16:30. Risk alerts will escalate to email and Slack. All phrasing signals real operations, not simulations. Many updates blend history and operations. Keep boundaries crisp. Use past/conditional for backtest results and present/future for current or planned actions. Anchor statements with timestamps. From 2018 to 2022, the strategy would have returned 9%. As of today, it trades 3 ETFs and will rebalance weekly. Avoid sliding tenses inside one sentence. Not, the strategy returned 9% and trades 3 ETFs. Split it. One sentence for past performance, one for current activity. Time markers prevent readers from confusing simulations with production. Red flag. Present verbs for backtests. E.g., the model beats the market in 2019 to 2021. That implies ongoing, live dominance. Fix it by adding conditional or past markers. It would have beaten the market in 2019 to 2021, or it beat the benchmark in the backtest period. Add assumptions and caveats to reduce overclaiming. Net of fees, before taxes, assuming fulfills at quoted prices. When in doubt, downgrade certainty. Swap proves for suggests, and guarantees for is not guaranteed. Ask, is the data historical or live? If historical, write in past/conditional. If live, use present/future. Add dates, scope, and assumptions. Sample window, instruments, fees, liquidity, execution. Separate backtest results from operations into different sentences or clauses with time markers. Prefer conditional for hypothetical comparisons and avoid absolute claims. Reread for tense drift. Every verb should match the time frame you intend. Clear tense equals clear accountability.